Hey everyone, this is David Pike, the MotorCity mechanic. Now today's video is a little bit different, more of like a vlog style, not sitting you down explaining how to repair things. What this is going to be is kind of a what's going in the shop. And depending on how well y'all like it, we may do more of these. Now if you follow me on social media, you know that there have been a lot of big changes with the channel. Not shown on camera, but basically off camera. And one of them is this facility here. I'll go in more detail because I'm going to do a video on it soon, so I won't tell you too much. But just for now, as you can see, the environment has changed. So what do we have in the shop? Well, as you can see right here, we've got our Dodge Neon. I posted a picture on social media recently about me getting back into making some videos, and a lot of people commented on this car. This is my old Neon. I got it for about $400 or $500, did some work to it. And for those that are familiar with it, it is a RTACR, meaning four-wheel disc brakes, adjustable 4 struts, front and rear sway bars. There's really no creature comforts except for 6-speaker radio. And also what's the characteristic of the RTACRs are fog light deletes. So those are supposed to be, in theory, able to cool the brake, excuse me. So yeah, they don't have fog lights for a reason. It's not because they fell out. Once again, wife's Durango's in the shop. And it's not because it's a problem child, but it has the same common issues from one Durango or Grand Cherokee to another. And this I picked up on while I was doing that last video. And you can see right here, nice little wet spot. Typically the AC condenser either leaks trans fluid or refrigerant because it is a combo cooler. In this case, if you look up under here, you see that green? That's not antifreeze. That's the dye in the refrigerant. What I had noticed was recently, or I say in the last few months, when the AC's on, you can hear the hissing sound inside. It's the refrigerant going more than likely through the expansion block and the evaporator. I'm assuming maybe the pressures were dropping down enough to where you could actually hear it. So of course, as we were driving it recently, we noticed when it was really hot outside, because we did hit 80 degrees last week, that it wasn't cooling too well in the parking lot while we're sitting at Walmart. So that's not a good thing. So I've got my parts coming for that. That's coming from my supplier just down the hill. Over here, as you can see, we're doing a little bit of filming. Got another 3.6 video, as if I don't have enough of those already. But this one's gonna be kind of cool. It's an upgrade video. Not performance, but for, I guess you could say, longevity. You look right here, you can see all this crust up in here. Actually, I'm so particular about my videos, I'll probably clean all that up and then put the parts back on, so when we shoot the video, you won't see that. A lot of people won't ask questions and I won't have to explain. That's just from the coolant dried up inside the block, because obviously this is only on a stand and it's just for me to shoot videos for. Now, we got a TV out in the shop. Why do we got a TV out in the shop? Well, I need to keep myself occupied. I'm the only person here. So I could either have a radio or a TV. In this case, got a TV. We got Rich from D-Boss Garage on here playing right now, non-stop. Rich is awesome. Got to meet him in person 3 times now. So awesome guy. In the office, this is my little waiting area. Yeah, there's no table, no nothing. It's what we got for now. In the office, we got Erico doing his thing. So there's 2 guys that I really have much respect for. They're entertaining me throughout the day. So I hear voices and I don't feel like I'm alone. But that's pretty much what's going on in the garage right now. I don't have any customer cars in here for the time being. A lot of that's got to do with obviously business right now. This is March 30th, 2020. We're right in the middle of the whole Corona thing. And there's some technicalities with my business license right now, which should be done in the next day or so. Obviously, with the Corona thing, a lot of offices as far as the county are closed. So it's been a bit of a hassle to get the EPA out here, the fire marshal, to do their inspections. But I think we pretty much got a handle on it. So again, what's going on in the shop? If you like this kind of video, please let me know in the comments below. It's kind of short, kind of sweet. kind of personal. Some of y'all may just want to see repair videos. Some of y'all might want to know what goes on in here or what I'm doing or about me personally. So that's what this is for. So again, if you like it, let me know. In the meantime, don't forget you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can leave comments below. You can email me at david@motorcitymechanic.com. And if you like to shop on Amazon, you remember, look down in the link below, click on that, make that your home page, and anything that you buy will help support this channel. Because obviously with this Corona thing going on right now, everybody's hurting a little bit. We may be mechanics, we may be essential to what the government says. That doesn't mean business is coming in. And this is kind of the wrong time to start a business. But hey, I didn't know, couldn't tell what was going to happen in the future. Again, everybody, thanks for all your support, and thanks for watching.